Hi YouTube. So today I'm going to be making one of my favorite dish, a pad thai. It's very colorful, very tasteful, very flavorful. So stick around and watch me. I'm going to guide you through it. It's a real quick and easy dish. So let's get to it. So let's julienne some red onion, julienne some snow peas, and that right there is basically your main ingredients: your snow peas, your carrots, onion, peppers, chives, and rice noodles. Now the plate up. So you want to start in the middle, put a little bit down, then build on top. So make like a nice pyramid and keep it going. Keep going on top. And then we're gonna garnish now with some green onions, chives. Just sprinkle them over it. There you go. Beautiful pad thai. And you can add chicken or shrimp or pork to this pad thai.